Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Riley. Panthers, when we all come back from Thanksgiving break, don't forget about those semester exams. Semester exams start December 17th through the 20th. Students, if you have any holiday travel plans that impact your exams, you will be expected to make those exams up after winter break. Seniors who have not yet passed the math or reading graduation requirement should register for the December 7th SAT. The deadline is today. If you are free or reduced lunch, request SAT waivers directly through your College Board account. If you get denied, email Mr. Meir. For ACT waivers, also email Mr. Meir. Seniors who have not yet completed their Bright Futures application can apply through this link above. Seniors, the FAFSA opens on December 1st. Before you can apply, you must obtain your FSA ID. Visit with this link above to start the process. Now, we have a very special and important announcement that was sent to your parents and your guardians from Mr. Link himself. Take a look.
Welcome, Heritage parents, guardians, and community members. I'm here today to take a few minutes to explain a new security initiative that we will be implementing at Heritage High School. Heritage High School, along with the School Board of Brevard County, has made the decision to install metal detectors at all Brevard County high schools to enhance security. At Heritage High School, we will implement these new metal detectors starting on Wednesday, December the 11th. From today until December 11th, we will be releasing a series of training videos for our students. These videos will demonstrate what items are allowed to be brought to school and how students should carry their belongings in order to smoothly pass through the screening process without any delays. Starting on December 11th, all students and visitors to Heritage High School during school hours will need to undergo the new security screening process upon arrival. I will be sharing the links to the training videos that we have filmed. This will allow you to review them at home and have conversations with your students. You can discuss what they can bring to school, how to pack those items in their backpack, and how to help them through the screening process smoothly. Having conversations with your children is crucial in helping them understand how to pack their belongings efficiently to avoid delays during screening. Sometimes it may be necessary to consolidate the items they bring to campus. The training videos will demonstrate what students are allowed to bring in their backpacks to school and what items they must remove before going through the security process. We recognize that there will be an adjustment period as our students become familiar with this new procedure and what it will be like for them coming onto campus. So between December 4th and December 11th, we will be opening our gates to campus at 8 a.m. instead of the usual time. This will give our students some extra time to get used to walking through the screening process and the time it will take them. Perhaps, with this practice time, if students are required to pause and remove a binder or other items from their bag, it will prompt them to reconsider their belongings. This may result in a smoother screening process the next time without any delays. We'll keep our gates open a bit earlier from December 4th through December 11th, and once our students have adjusted, we will go back to our regular time of 8:10 in the mornings. If you are dropping off your child at school, or if you have a student who drives to school, we highly suggest arriving earlier to campus. This will allow you extra time to go through the security screening and make it to class on time without being late. As the principal here at Heritage, I want to recognize that introducing new security measures on campus may evoke mixed emotion. It is my firm belief that ensuring the security and safety of our students is my top priority. Our faculty and staff are committed to providing the safest possible environment for our students. I think the installation of this new security process is a smart and sensible move. I am confident that we can successfully implement it here and work together. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. For now, please watch the training videos as they come out that I will be sending to you, and I appreciate your attention to this matter. Thank you so much, and go Big Blue.
Panthers, Heritage's 12 Days of Holiday is coming up really soon. From December 5th to December 20th, we will have holiday-like themes throughout the weeks included. For example, we will have days such as Ugly Sweater Day, Snowman Day, Santa Day, and many more. If any of you would like to participate, feel free to give it your all, but only if it is under our school dress code. Well, Panthers, that's all we have for news for this week. Thank you for watching, and we hope you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving break. And remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!